Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Sephora app keeps crashing. So please watch the full video and also give a like. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Sephora app icon. Then tap on app info option. Now tap on storage usage and here clear the cache as well as clear data. Now OK, and the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone or iPad, and then tap on search option. Once you tap on search option, then you will see this search bar. Tap on this and here search for Sephora. After that, tap on this writing, and now you will see update option here. So simply tap on update to update this app to the latest version. This will fix your issue of crashing the app. So hope this will help. Thanks.